Hello, hello. The only thing better than a Japanese maple is a grafted Japanese maple. The only thing better than a grafted Japanese maple is a rare grafted Japanese maple. Look at the beautiful colour on this Nishiki Red Spire Japanese maple, grown exclusively in the Dandenongs for Hello Hello. Look at this fabulous silvery butterfly Japanese maple. And best of all, look at our golden Orium Japanese maple. Grafted Japanese maples are compact little trees that can be kept for years and years in pots on patios or balconies. They can be grown as a focal point in a small garden, and with a little trim they can be kept under 2 metres in height, or they won't grow more than 3 metres, and they're a beautiful source of colour. And the best part is the price. A rare grafted Japanese maple for $69.99. But you've got to get onto it because they're going to run out quickly. And don't forget, when you spend over $200, we've got a free Metro delivery. You can call or come see us at our Campbellfield display nursery, or go to hellohello.com.au and see 4,000 different types of plants online. Hello, hello.